Hi class, welcome to week 1. I'm just going to do a quick overview of how to find the assignments and complete them most quickly. So from the homepage on Brightspace, you're just going to click on our class, which says Argument, which will be the focus of our class this semester. And you're going to, from this homepage, read the announcements first. Once you've read the announcements and checked out the calendar, go ahead and click on Content. From here, you will see likely 1 or 2 weeks visible. I have all of the weeks visible, but to avoid confusion, everything you need will be under Start Here. You'll be able to ask questions, find useful links, and if you click on week 1, you will have everything you need under this link. If you have a situation where a link does not work in this checklist, you can find everything you need right below it. So for example, if you click on the syllabus quiz and it doesn't work, you can go ahead and click on syllabus quiz here to take you to it. This quiz does not open until later today, so that you can read the syllabus at least twice before taking it. Introductions, just a bunch of different ideas for what you could talk about in your post. You don't have to pay attention to any of them, but they are to get you started. These are due Thursday, and 2 replies will be due Sunday. Your writing sample, basically asking you to watch a short video, about 3 minutes long, and respond to any of the questions in a coherent essay, so I can get a better sense of what types of things we'll need to work on as a class. And then finally, you have your first essay, which I like you to get started on early, even though it's not due for a few weeks. You can read the guidelines here, and once you read these guidelines, you'll be able to complete the activity, which asks you to start thinking about a topic, and then actually producing some writing, which you'll submit to the assignments folder. And I will provide feedback, let you know some directions you could head for this idea, but you will be thinking about, how you might focus your topic, because the idea that I gave you was understandably broad for a reason. You have to pick something you're interested in order to support your position well. And I'm happy to suggest articles and things that you can use to support yourself, but also to support your counter argument, which is just as important as thinking about the person who would argue with you. There are no texts for this class, so all you need to do is be reading the syllabus carefully before taking the quiz. You'll need to get 100 on the quiz before you move to week 2. If you have any trouble, if you take it twice and still don't pass it, you will need to email me to talk to me about what problems you're having with it before you can retake it and move on in the class. I look forward to talking with you, and I look forward to our discussions and reading your introductions this week. Have a good first week of class.